Hey, what is up guys? It's your boy Lit Candles here, back again with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get tons of cash on generic roleplay. So, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to find a good small server, and this guy will not stop asking for health. That is his own problem. You shouldn't have lost it in the first place. So, sorry, that was a bit funny. But what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to find a good server with the best fishing rod. You do not want the good or the basic fishing rod because that's just a waste of time. And then you're going to need to go to the law area. This is important. You're going to need to find a role which does not pay taxes. So guards, the councilmen, and the doctors. Those are the three roles that don't have to pay taxes, or it's like an option. You can make it. So sadly the doctors pay taxes in this lobby. So I'm going to become a guard. And what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to e-beg to get someone to work at the fishing pole station. Please work fishing. Please. Free money. You start begging them. There we go. See, this Albert fan did it for me. And see, that's the thing. That's another problem with this money method right now. It's going to be very hard to do it because there's a lot of new players from Flamingo's video, so a lot of them are inexperienced. So you're gonna have a lot of new council members, you're gonna have a lot of new leaders who are gonna just really make it hard for you to play the game. And that's not a diss to them, it's just I understand they're new players. When I was new, I was not playing the game right. So wait, now that you actually have your fishing rod and you don't have to pay this crazy 40% taxes, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need an auto clicker. If you are a fan of me, you are profusely rolling your eyes right now if you've seen my other tutorial on how to get tons of money on Overlook Bay, because this is literally basically the same video, but there's a little bit extra hard, because I would say this video is a little bit harder because the problem with Overlook Bay is you don't have to worry about people killing you, but in this game you will die all the time. But once you've okay, if the auto clicker would like to open today, hello, there we go. What you're going to do is you're going to need to put it to 50 milliseconds. You're going to want to go to pick location. You want to select that. And once you have that, your cursor position on the pick location, it doesn't matter where you pick it. It literally does not matter. So now what you're going to need to do is to turn your auto clicker on, not turn off your recorder. And you're going to want to slowly walk towards the closer to the thing so you can get the 1.8. There you go. Now this is basically the best spot to get, and I recommend you not walk away from your keyboard. This isn't like the Overlook Bay video where you can just go AFK for an hour and get tons of fish. You can like walk away for like 5 minutes, but you can't leave leave this on overnight because you're gonna die because there's flash floods, which by the way, flash floods give you a crap ton of cash, which it's worth it. I actually have some stats here. Go over why this is the best method. For one, how many times this does it, you get 1.8 cash per time you do it. If you do it the 50 millisecond thing like I just told you, it does it about 60 times a minute. Yes, I actually did time it in a minute. I wrote the things down. I don't know why, I just had a lot of free time when I originally made this like a month ago. So for the best fishing rod, obviously it gives you the 1.8 like I just went over. The good fishing rod gives you 1.2 and the basic one does 0.6. Oh look, a perfect example of a toxic player. Someone pushing me into the deeper end, because if you get into deeper water, you start to lose health. That's why you want to pay attention. I would say the benefits of this is the food source. Obviously you're never going to run out of food because you get food from this. The low danger score, you don't have to worry about people really killing you down here because there's only one other person I have to worry about, and I can just arrest them as the guard anyway, so it's actually a big benefit. And you don't have to worry about the competition, like I just said, since there's not people down here. You don't have to worry about the competition because other jobs, like if you're working as a farmer or like the person who cuts down the trees, there's limited supply of that, but this is unlimited. You don't have to worry about the fish coming to you or anything. There's literally an unlimited supply of fish. And you don't have to worry about clicking a lot. All you have to do is just sit there and let the auto clicker do the work for you. And I actually did some math for you guys. Okay, so for every minute you are just sitting here getting money, you're getting about 100 cash a minute if you're in the 1.8 zone and not being pushed. And every hour you just sit here, you get 6,000 cash. And that might not sound like a lot, but it does add up if you're like watching TV or just not really if you're half paying attention to the game, it adds up. I mean, eventually you get 300,000 cash, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you want more tutorials for this game. Peace out.